My mother-in-law just turned on the vacuum because I guess she doesn't know that I'm filming. Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this white fuzzy rug. I'm really excited about it. I've always wanted one. I know they sell them at like IKEA and you can get them off Amazon and stuff. But every time I find one on IKEA, it's smaller than I want and I don't want to spend that much money. So I decided to make one myself. It was super easy, didn't take that much time, and I had a new rug in like half an hour, which was awesome. So if you want to make this rug, this is what you need. First of all, you need some fabric. You're also going to need a glue gun, and of course some glue sticks to go with it. You could also use this Fiberlock non-skid rug backing. My mother-in-law gave this to me because she heard that I was trying to make a rug, but in the spirit of DIYing, I'm going to put this aside. But it does work really well. So first thing you have to do is measure out how big you want your rug. I got enough fabric for 2 different DIYs, but if you're just making a rug, then you can just have it cut to how big you want your rug to be. I know that I have 2 yards of fabric here, and I'm gonna need 26 inches cut off for my next DIY. So I am going to cut off 26 inches. Don't mind the state of my tape measure. It is extremely old. Just going to fold this and put it aside. So now you have all this fabric to make your rug with. So what we're going to do is flip it so that the back or the bottom of the fabric is facing us, and I have my handy dandy glue gun, and we are going to glue the edges and fold them over so that this doesn't keep happening. When you get to a corner, all you gotta do is continue as you were with gluing. Make sure you use enough glue, then add glue on the fur and the regular backing and fold it over. Extra tip: if you get irritated by all the extra little strings that glue guns can leave behind, all you have to do is hit that with a blow dryer, and that like pretty much disintegrates them. They're just gone. It's like magic. If your fabric is thinner, be careful when pushing down the fabric and sealing it because the glue is hot. Also, while you're pushing it down, you can pull some of the little fur out, kind of like this way, just to make it look pretty. And I decided to just quickly look over all the edges to make sure that they were down nicely. Now that you have all your edges glued down, you're going to go over the raw edges again with more hot glue. This is going to make the extra fuzz stop coming off. It's also going to add traction to your rug. This is not going to look pretty, but it is going to work. So you can see right here, you see the line of hot glue. It definitely does not look pretty, but this is going to be on the bottom of the rug anyway. Plus, you really gotta make sure that your rug isn't going to slide around, especially if it's on a hardwood or tile floor or something, because you don't want to fall down, break your face, or any other part of you. And that is the new rug. Super huge, actually a lot bigger than I needed it to be. Remember guys, when you're making yourself a rug, measure the area that you're going to put it in, because I made mine quite a bit too wide. I actually wanted it to be about this wide going across here so that I can fit in this area, but it's a couple inches too wide, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But basically, here's how you make your very own fuzzy white rug. I love it, and I hope you guys liked this DIY. If you guys want more, don't forget to hit that little like button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!